Yow Wah Gwaan.
Welcome to Throughout a Lifetime TV. I know you haven't heard from us for like a good while, maybe like a month. Right?
Over a month.
Over a month.
It's been over a month, guys.
Sorry about that. But forgive us. We had
it's been heartbreaking. Yeah.
A little challenging time to deal with.
Yeah.
But we're back now, so
we're back.
You can expect some
officially
banger videos.
We're back. We're gonna hit you with some banger videos. Yes.
Thanks for joining us. We have many more subscribers.
Yeah, our subscription, so you call it?
Yeah.
It has increased.
The subscription has increased.
Yeah, has increased a lot, and we want to say thank you and welcome to our new subscribers. We are so happy that you decided to join the Throughout a Lifetime family.
You know, we're still aiming for the 1K.
Yes, so we can see Matty dance.
That wasn't the real essence, but for the anniversary and everything, we want to aim for that 1K and then climb from there.
Please.
And give you some good content. We have some great content coming up.
We have amazing things coming up. It's been a kind of a delay, out of our control, but you know, God's timing, I guess, is the perfect timing. So we're gonna release it for you guys, and we honestly want to apologize for not being with you for over a month. We had a death in our family, and we decided to just step back and deal with all of that, and then so we can come back and give you guys our full 100%. And we also want to mention that we have relocated. We did not cut out a we are moving video for this actually, but in case you are seeing new spaces, right? Right, we have relocated, and that is because of the death that we experienced. So maybe we will tell you what actually happened and why later on, but not right now. Matty says never, but I want to say it maybe sometime, maybe next year, 2 years. But
thanks again for joining us, and look forward to we have a competition.
Competition.
So so stay tuned, and it's going to be fun.
Stay tuned.
And remember, guys, to live, love, and encourage. And remember to share, and subscribe.
Yes. Get your friend name and your grandmother and take her phone and watch a video. Please, guys, please get your friends, your family, your loved ones, your co-workers.
And join Throughout Lifetime TV. Alright? Bless you guys.